In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate lines in After Effects. Begin by adding an Illustrator file of your shape to the timeline, then right-click on it, go to Create, Create Shapes from Vector Layer. Or if you don't have an Illustrator file and you create a shape in After Effects, that's also completely fine. Now we need to make sure that our shape doesn't have fill and only has stroke. For this, we select our shape, then at the top we click on Fill, we set it to None, then we click on Stroke and set it to a solid color. Then we can choose the color of our stroke and adjust its width over here. Then we expand the properties of our shape, then click the Add button and select Trim Paths. Then we expand Trim Paths, and here you'll see Start and the End properties that allow us to pretty much trim a path from the start or from the end and therefore create an animation. So I'm going to set End to 0% and you can see that completely hides the shape. Then create a keyframe by clicking on a stopwatch icon, then go a few seconds forward and set End to 100%, and that will animate the line of our shape. And we can make this animation smoother by selecting the two keyframes, right-clicking on any of them. Keyframe Assistant, easy, so you can press F9 as the shortcut, and we can also add motion blur by checking this icon. If you don't see these settings, down here click Toggle Switches and Modes, and then enable motion blur by checking this icon. And now we have a smooth animation, and that's pretty much it.